welcome back to my channel Stronger Scholar. So I'm back with the new topic, that is vitamin part 2. So student, in vitamins part 1 we are already discussed that what is vitamin, how we categorize into water soluble and fat soluble vitamins, okay, and what's the common name of the vitamins and the disease related with the deficiency of the vitamin. So in this lecture I am going to discuss about in which body reaction these vitamins are used, the main function and the main reaction of the and in these vitamins. So we know that water soluble vitamins are vitamin B and vitamin C, but except for vitamin C, the water soluble vitamins are all precursors of coenzyme. Okay, means here we talk about vitamin B complex. So here's a new concept, that is coenzyme. What is coenzyme? Coenzyme is a non-protein compound. This coenzyme is used for the function of enzyme. Okay, so vitamin B complex is serve as a precursor of coenzyme. So first there is a thymine. Thymine is vitamin B1. Okay. Now this thymine converted into thymine pyrophosphate, TPP. Here thymine pyrophosphate is serve as a coenzyme. Okay, this thymine pyrophosphate is a coenzyme and precursor is thymine. Thymine is vitamin B1. So thymine converted into TPP with the help of TPP synthetase. This is an enzyme here, TPP synthetase. In this reaction, ATP degraded into AMP and pyrophosphate, PPI. This pyrophosphate add with thymine and form thymine pyrophosphate. Thymine pyrophosphate is coenzyme. This TPP serve as coenzyme in many reactions, like we are very familiar with this reaction, that is here pyruvate converted into acetaldehyde and there is a removal of CO2, means there is a decarboxylation. This is also known as a linker reaction between glycolysis and PCA cycle. Here pyruvate, that is alpha keto acid, converted into acetaldehyde. Main enzyme is pyruvate decarboxylase, but here coenzyme is TPP. TPP is coenzyme and CO2 is removed. That's why this reaction is called as oxidative decarboxylation. Decarboxylation means removal of CO2. And the next reaction, that is here xylulose 5-phosphate and ribose 5-phosphate converted into glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate and pseudohaptolase. Here the main enzyme is transketolase. Okay. In this reaction also TPP serve as a coenzyme. Okay. So here TPP help in formation and degradation of alpha ketones, means hydroxyketone. This xylulose and ribose is alpha ketones, and when this degrade forms pseudohaptolase, it is also a alpha ketones. Okay. So vitamin B2 is riboflavin, and riboflavin is a constituent of flavin mononucleotide FMN and flavin adenine dinucleotide FAD. This FMN and FAD serve as a coenzymes, and this is capable of reversibly accepting 2 hydrogen atoms. Okay, here's the main is 2 hydrogen atoms, and when the FMN and FAD accept 2 hydrogen atom, FMN and FAD converted into FMNH2 and FADH2. These 2 hydrogen atom add here. Okay. So now vitamin B3 is niacin, that is also known as nicotinic acid. Here the coenzyme form is nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide NAD+, and also phosphate derivative, that is nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. Okay, so this NAD and NADP coenzyme serve as a coenzyme in oxidative reduction reaction. Here main is oxidation reduction reaction. In this reaction, the NAD and NADP are accepting hydride ions H minus. By accepting a hydride ion, this NAD and NADP reduce, and the reduced form is NADH and NADPH. Okay, so NAD and NADP serve as coenzyme. Okay, in which reaction? In oxidative reduction reaction. In this reaction, they are accepting a hydride ion, means one hydrogen atom in the form of hydride ions, and when they reduce, it converted into NADH and NADPH. Okay, so this riboflavin and niacin, they are accepting hydrogen atoms, but here 2 hydrogen atoms, here 1 hydrogen atom, and form oxidation reduction reactions. So vitamin B5 is pantothenic acid. So this pantothenic acid is a component of coenzyme A, and this coenzyme A responsible for the reaction that in which there is a transfer of acyl group. Here the main is transfer of acyl group. So this coenzyme A involved in this reaction where there is a acyl group transfer. Okay, now vitamin B6 is pyridoxine, and the biologically active form of pyridoxine is pyridoxal phosphate. So this pyridoxal phosphate involved in many important reactions like transamination, alpha and beta decarboxylation, aldol reactions. Here is an example of transamination. In transamination reaction, here is a amine group. This amine group transfer into this ketone group. Okay, there is a removal of amine group. This NH3 and H remove in the form of ammonium ion. So here is vacant 2 bonds, and these 2 bonds bond with the oxygen. So the main here is removal of ammonium ion. Okay. So vitamin B7 is biotin, and this biotin is a coenzyme in carboxylation reaction. Okay, so here's an example in which pyruvate converted into oxaloacetate with the addition of CO2 in the form of bicarbonate. Okay, here carbonium ion. So here is a enzyme. There is a pyruvate carboxylase, and the coenzyme is biotin. Okay, so biotin is mainly involved in the reaction in carboxylation reaction. Okay, now next is vitamin B9, that is folic acid, and the biologically active form of folic acid is THF, tetrahydrofolic acid, and the key role in the transfer of 1 carbon unit. Okay, so the main function of folic acid is a 1 carbon unit in the reaction where we have to transfer 1 carbon only. So in that type of reaction, folic acid used as a coenzyme. Now last is vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is a cobalamin. This cobalamin act as a coenzyme mainly in amino acid metabolism. Okay, important reactions are intramolecular rearrangement, means cobalamin help in this type of reaction where intramolecular rearrangement occur, and next is methyl group transfer, means we see in the synthesis of methionine where methyl group transfer happen with the help of cobalamin. Okay, so cobalamin help in the methyl group transfer and intramolecular rearrangement. Okay, so here we are done with the all important reactions of vitamins, mainly vitamin B complex. So guys, if you like my video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel, and also share the link with your friends. Thank you.